Hello everyone, welcome back to Editing with Android, and this is Marshall from Power, and today I'm going to show you something exciting. You can have all the paid apps, Android apps, for free. You just have to do something I just gonna show you. Okay, so first of all, you have to download this ACMarket, this one from Google. Search Google and you can just download this ACMarket, and here you can download all the paid apps you are just wishing to buy them. You can have everything, games, apps and mods, and just literally, and see, these all are these, paid apps, and also you can have free apps, but it takes a little time to download all these because it is quite slower than the general Play Store. uh, I just love this section, photography, and you can see all the paid apps over here just for free. You can just download them and start using them. Most of them are actually for free in the Android market. Suppose this one, but all effects and filters for free. As you can see, this is mod. All effects and filters are for free. You can just download this and start working. So today's video is just for showing you where I actually mostly download all paid apps. So here is the secret revealed today. Maybe you don't know, but some of you know where to download free apps, or you can also just search on Google and you can find so many other markets, and also torrents. You can download them, but here it is in also it can install. It can be installed in your phone, and without rooting your phone you can download them and use them. So this is really a nice app, and you can just search on Google and you can find it. And this is ACMarket. I'm showing you again, and these are the apps and new released category. You can find everything from this market. You can find every free apps. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you gonna like this video, and if you, I will just put the link of this ACMarket apps, where you can download. Just check in the link, check the link in the description, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe this video, and subscribe to my channel. So thank you very much for being with me. I'll see you next time. Until then, take care. Goodbye.